Can a simple vitamin that thousands take daily be a silent killer? Imagine taking a supplement you thought was safe, only to end up in the emergency room with life-threatening kidney damage. That's exactly what happened to 55-year-old woman whose story we are diving into today. Stay tuned as we find out what happened and how you can avoid making the same mistake. In December 2022, a 55-year-old woman suffering from kidney disease was rushed to the emergency department. She was extremely weak, had a very slow heart rate, noticeable swelling, and her body temperature was alarmingly low at just 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Concerned that her kidney condition might be worsening, the doctor promptly checked her creatinine levels. The results were astonishing. Her serum creatine levels had skyrocketed to 3,530 mg per dl, a number significantly higher than it had been just 2 months earlier. This indicated her kidneys were rapidly failing, she had stopped producing urine, and her body was becoming overwhelmed with toxic substances. As a result, she was urgently moved to the intensive care unit and placed on dialysis that very day. The medical team was baffled by the sudden and rapid decline in her kidney function. After extensive testing, they identified the unlikely culprit, a common vitamin supplement that many people take daily. It turned out that this seemingly harmless supplement was actually extremely harmful to her. It is not always the prescription medications that pose the greatest risk, sometimes it's the over-the-counter vitamin supplements. Specifically, there are 5 vitamins that can be particularly hazardous if not used correctly. Today, I'm going to discuss the serious risks certain vitamins pose for individuals with kidney disease. However, it's important to note that completely avoiding all vitamin supplements can also be harmful to kidney health. It is crucial to be vigilant about what you take. This incident is part of a broader pattern of hospitalizations caused by inappropriate vitamin supplementation. Not long ago, a TikTok influencer developed kidney stones from taking vitamins to boost her immune system. Earlier in the year, a 61-year-old man suffered excruciating pain, which was initially suspected to be pancreatitis, but was later attributed to his vitamin supplements. Another alarming case involved a patient who experienced constant vomiting, severe leg cramps, and a dramatic weight loss of 28 pounds after just a month of taking excessive amount of a vitamin, which ultimately led to the destruction of his kidneys. These stories highlight the crucial need to be thoroughly informed about the supplements you take. It's not enough to simply know which supplements you're using, you must also understand the appropriate dosages for your specific needs and the potential risks involved, particularly if you have underlying health conditions like kidney disease. Kidney disease patients are particularly vulnerable because their impaired kidney function prevent them from effectively eliminating excess vitamins from their bodies. This can lead to a dangerous accumulation, putting their kidney health at further risk. 5 dangerous vitamins. You see, while these vitamins are essential for our health, taking too much of them can lead to serious health issues, especially for those with underlying conditions. Today, we will dive into 5 vitamins that carry risks not widely known. Some of these can be harmful if taken in incorrect forms or dosages, while others pose a risk to individuals with kidney conditions. It's crucial to approach these vitamins with care. We will start with the least dangerous and move to those with increasingly severe risks. Number 5 on our list is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. It's crucial for immune function and skin health. However, in high doses, it can thin the blood, leading to an increased risk of bleeding and, over time, can put stress on the kidneys. Studies have linked this everyday vitamin to a range of adverse effects, including markedly increased blood pressure and an elevated risk for stroke and cancer. Next on our list is vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for vision, immune function, and skin health. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it accumulates in the body. Excess vitamin A can lead to toxicity, causing symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and, in severe cases, kidney damage. Vitamin A toxicity is most commonly linked to overconsumption of certain foods, notably fish liver. While incidents of acute injury from dietary sources are rare, they underscore the need for caution. Number 3 on our list is vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for immune support, skin health, and the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. It's a water-soluble vitamin, which means the body excretes the excess through urine. However, very high doses of vitamin C can lead to the formation of kidney stones, which is especially risky for individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Moving to number 2 is vitamin B12. The synthetic form of vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, is necessary for red blood cell formation, nerve function, and DNA synthesis. Unlike its natural counterpart, methylcobalamin, cyanocobalamin is not derived from natural sources but is manufactured for its cost-effectiveness. Cyanocobalamin is known to contain trace amounts of cyanide, a fact implied by its name. While a healthy body can typically process and eliminate these traces of cyanide without any problems, the situation becomes much more concerning when kidney function is compromised. In individuals with reduced glomerular filtration rate, GFR, the ability to clear cyanide decreases, potentially leading to toxic buildup and accelerated kidney damage. Therefore, those with kidney issues should be particularly cautious and opt for methylcobalamin instead. To ensure safety, it's advised that individuals, especially those with CKD, check their supplement labels meticulously to confirm they are consuming methylcobalamin and not cyanocobalamin. This approach allows them to avoid the risks associated with cyanide while still reaping the benefits of vitamin B12, which is crucial for maintaining good health. Now, number 1 on our list is vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, bone health, and immune function. However, because it's fat-soluble, excess vitamin D can accumulate in the body, leading to hypercalcemia, a condition characterized by too much calcium in the blood, which can cause kidney stones, kidney damage, and other serious health issues. To avoid these risks, it's recommended to consume vitamin D in moderation. The ideal dosage is typically about 2000 IU per day, combined with 100 mg of vitamin K2 and magnesium to prevent arterial calcification. This regimen helps maintain vitamin D levels safely. It can be alarming to learn about the potential dangers associated with vitamins we need, but being informed is far better than facing the consequences of ignorance, such as renal failure. Cautions and prevention. Be aware of the signs of vitamin toxicity, such as nausea, vomiting, weakness, frequent urination, and calcium-related symptoms like muscle weakness and confusion in the case of vitamin D. If you experience any of these symptoms, stop taking the supplement and seek medical advice. Remember that supplements are powerful tools that should be used responsibly. This woman's story is a heartbreaking reminder that even common vitamins can become dangerous when misused. By taking a cautious and informed approach to supplements, you can protect your health and avoid a similar fate. This video has spotlighted why this particular vitamin ranks at the top of our list for its potential dangerous. It might seem inconceivable that a mere 1000 mg daily, a dose not unusually large, could result in catastrophic kidney damage, yet that is precisely what occurred in the case of a chronic kidney disease patient. This unfortunate outcome underscores why this vitamin is a prime focus of today's discussion. This incident is not an isolated one. It highlights a common issue found across many brands that promote similar dosages. Hence, this is our focal point today. Getting your nutrients from whole foods is generally safer and more effective. Foods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, eggs, dairy products, and sunlight exposure for vitamin D are excellent sources of these vitamins. Let's spread awareness about the importance of responsible supplement use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel for more health-related content. Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember, your body deserves the best care.